What do you think will happen to Tesla stock in the long run, given its current performance in the stock market? Even experts have varying opinions about Tesla's valuation. Tesla has notably been significantly down in recent weeks, and billionaire investor Charlie Munger has something to say about it. You definitely would not want to miss this one. I was certainly surprised that Tesla did as well as it did. Charlie Munger said in an interview with CNBC's Becky Quick, "Get extra $10 cash. Open an account and deposit any amount on Moomoo. It's a limited bonus for celebrating Moomoo's 10th anniversary. Check the link below." Moomoo is a great platform to trade stocks with many unique, easy-to-use tools. I think a lot of you will find it really helpful, especially if you want to be more hands-on with your investments. For example, find out the right time to buy and sell stocks. Link in the description below. Charles Thomas Munger is an American billionaire investor, businessman, and former real estate attorney. He is vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, the conglomerate controlled by Warren Buffett. As vice chairman of the famed holding company Berkshire Hathaway, Charlie Munger is Warren Buffett's right-hand man. Munger is also chairman of newspaper publisher Daily Journal Corp. And sits on the board of retailer Costco. He's a pragmatic investor and an active philanthropist who has given millions to universities. As of November 2022, Munger has a net worth of $2.3 billion. In a recent CNBC Squawk Box episode, Berkshire Hathaway Vice Chairman Charlie Munger spoke highly of Elon Musk's electric vehicle company Tesla, calling it an amazing feat in the American auto industry. "I was certainly surprised that Tesla did as well as it did," Munger said in the interview. However, Munger noted that he does not equate Tesla with Bitcoin. According to him, Tesla has made some real contributions to this civilization, and that its CEO Elon Musk has done some good things that others couldn't do. "We haven't had a successful new auto company in a long time. What Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle," Munger said. In response to Munger's remarks, Musk said in a tweet that Mr. Munger's words are much appreciated. It can be noted that Elon Musk once said Berkshire Hathaway's Charlie Munger told guests at a lunch all the ways his EV maker Tesla will fail. In a tweet in February, Musk shared, "I was at a lunch with Munger in 2009 where he told the whole table all the ways Tesla would fail. Made me quite sad, but I told him I agreed with all those reasons and that we would probably die, but it was worth trying anyway." However, in a recent interview, Munger says he doesn't recall that and went on to praise the company. The market for fully electric vehicles is growing for various reasons, but much of the mainstream acceptance and excitement for electric cars can be attributed to Tesla Motors and its unique business model. Elon Musk launched the company with the mission to accelerate the advent of sustainable transport by bringing compelling mass-market electric cars to market as soon as possible. This mission is the backbone of Tesla's successful business model. Tesla took a unique approach to establishing itself in the market. Instead of trying to build a relatively affordable car that it could mass produce and market, it took the opposite approach, focusing instead on creating a compelling car that would create a demand for electric vehicles. Once Tesla established its brand and had produced and delivered its concept car to the marketplace, it reinforced its business model. Tesla's business model is based on a three-pronged approach to selling, servicing, and charging its electric vehicles. Tesla sells directly to customers, unlike other automakers who sell through franchised dealerships. It has created an international network of company-owned showrooms and galleries, mostly in urban centers. By owning the sales channel, Tesla believes it can gain an advantage in the speed of its product development. More importantly, it creates a better customer buying experience. Unlike car dealerships, Tesla showrooms have no potential conflicts of interest. Customers deal only with Tesla-employed sales and service staff. Tesla has also made use of internet sales, where consumers can customize and purchase a Tesla online. Moreover, Tesla employs mobile service support, formerly called Tesla Rangers, who are mobile technicians who make house calls in some areas. In some cases, the service is delivered remotely. For instance, the Model S can wirelessly upload data so technicians can view and fix some problems without ever physically touching the car. Tesla has also created its network of 30,000-plus global superchargers where drivers can charge their Tesla vehicles in about 15 minutes for a quarter of the price of gasoline. The purpose is to speed up the rate of adoption of electric cars by making it cheaper and easier to keep them running. More than that, Tesla has also ventured to other sectors, and its energy business is thriving today. In April 2015, it introduced a line of home batteries called the Powerwall, which serves as energy storage systems in homes or businesses. They are meant to connect with a solar energy system and can be used as a backup power when power is interrupted or peak demand is high. Tesla also sells solar panels and full solar roofing, which is a roof made up of solar panels that still looks like a roof. Tesla is also currently perfecting its 4680 battery cells. In fact, the company has been working on the project with Panasonic for years, and it may disrupt the EV industry and make way for a new, cheaper Tesla model. The Panasonic 4680 batteries will be available to anyone who wants them, and they are likely to cost much less than the current options. Like its rival automakers, Tesla offers financial services, including vehicle loans and leases. Some of the loan programs offer a resale value guarantee provision. This provided some downside protection on a vehicle's value should the customer want to resell it. Although Tesla did not invent the electric car or even the luxury electric car, it did invent a successful business model for bringing compelling electric cars to the market. Part of the strategy was building a network of charging stations to solve one of the greatest obstacles facing the adoption of electric vehicles: refueling on long trips. Tesla's unique business model, which includes keeping control over sales and service, is one reason its stock has soared since its initial public offering. That said, many financial analysts and investors see Tesla as a technology company rather than a car company. At least, that's how they justified the growth of its stock price starting in 2013, when it shot up by more than 300% within a single year. Tesla became one of the most valuable companies in the world, with a market capitalization of over $600 billion. The car maker delivered 343,000 vehicles in the last quarter. Shares of Tesla are down 45% this year after a near 50% rally in 2021 and a whopping 743% advance in 2020. Still, Tesla continues to strive to make progress. Tesla is relatively new to the automotive industry as compared to other legacy automakers, as its first ever vehicle was launched in 2008. Despite being the latest brand, it has the most technologically advanced vehicles on the market. Tesla vehicles are expected to last at least 8 years or 100,000 miles, but there have been examples of Tesla Model S cars that have lasted over 400,000 miles. This requires a lot of maintenance and good driving habits. For instance, in terms of batteries, Tesla states that the batteries placed inside the vehicles are eligible for replacement after retaining at least 70% of their capacity. It can be noted that Tesla entered the market with the sporty Roadster. When it introduced its Model S sedan in June 2012, it stopped producing the Roadster. Then Tesla began delivering its first SUV, the Model X, in September 2015. The first Model 3 deliveries kicked off in July 2017 as Tesla's entry into the category of affordable cars. In 2022, its base model starts at $48,490. Tesla also produces a fully electric semi-truck. The truck boasts an energy consumption of less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile. The company claims it can go 400 miles on a 30-minute charge now, and it's working on stretching that to more than 600 miles in the future. UPS was among the companies that put in pre-orders for the truck introduced in 2019. Tesla's latest model is a supercharged version of the original Roadster, which the company claims is the quickest car in the world, capable of going 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. Deliveries of the new Roadster are expected in 2023, with a base price of $200,000. Interested individuals can reserve a new Roadster for a $5,000 initial card payment and a $45,000 wire transfer, which is due within 10 days after making the initial payment. Other Tesla products that are gaining a lot of attention and are closely being watched are the FSD, Robotaxi, Cybertruck, and humanoid robot, among others. This proves that what billionaire investor Charlie Munger said about Tesla rings true. Tesla has made some real contributions to this civilization, he said. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more Tesla content.